In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logo in Google Sites. Whether you're building a personal portfolio, a classroom hub, or a small business site, adding your logo helps your pages look polished and consistent. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, share what to expect on screen, and give a few simple tips so your logo looks crisp and professional. First, open Google Sites and edit your site. If you already have a draft, open that. If you're starting from a template, that works too. You'll know you're in edit mode if you see the editing toolbar and panels on the right. If you're just previewing, switch back to the editor so you can make changes. Next, click the header area at the top of the page. This is the large banner section that sits above your content and usually shows your site title. Clicking the header activates the header controls. You'll notice options appear that relate specifically to this section, which is exactly where your logo will live. If your header is very tall or very minimal, don't worry, that won't stop you from adding a logo. It just affects how much space surrounds it. Now, click Add Logo, or click the small logo icon if you see that instead. This opens the logo picker. From here, you can either upload an image from your computer or choose one stored in Google Drive. If the file is already in a brand folder in Drive, selecting it from Drive can save you time. Otherwise, uploading from your desktop is perfectly fine. When choosing the image, aim for a clear, high-resolution file. PNG is ideal, especially if your logo has a transparent background, because it prevents awkward white boxes around your mark. JPG and GIF files also work, but a clean PNG generally looks best. If you have both a horizontal and a square version of your logo, the horizontal version often fits more naturally in a website header, while a square mark can appear tidier in compact spaces. After you select the file, Google Sites will place the logo into your header. Give it a moment to render. You might notice the site's colors subtly adjust to complement the logo. Sites can automatically detect a color palette, which helps your pages look cohesive. Scan the header to make sure the logo contrasts well against the background image or color. If it blends in too much, consider using a version with a light or dark variant, or simplify your header background for stronger readability. Finally, click around your site to confirm the logo appears consistently where the header is used. That's it. Your Google Sites project now carries your visual identity right at the top.